Meatloaf, be cooperative.
So this morning
We made pancakes.
we made a pancake, and which is Japanese style, and we decided to make it this morning. So that's why the video is.
And that's why I look like a wild animal.
No, you're not.
Wasn't me when I was living in Japan. And so now you whisk this together.
That's it.
Yeah.
What are you getting?
Sifter.
Sister?
Okay, so you can't probably find. I don't know what sifters look like. This has been in my family for like
Yeah.
100 years.
100 years.
So that's why it looks like that.
100 years old.
Okay, now you can start turning.
Alright.
Yeah. So now you. Oops, sorry, guys.
Mm?
These are a little hard to flip because they want to roll, and you're supposed to like roll them instead of like.
They're sweet.
Yeah, they are sweet pancakes.
Is it too sweet?
What do they got in them?
I like the outside. Look how decorative it is.
Yeah.
Should have made animals.
Yeah,
Pancake animals.
these are really good. I do like these. I think we're supposed to use a mold and make these.
Oh, like a tin mold kind of thing?
Yeah.
これおまんまに出さなあかんやん。
リロベ最高や。
指指最高。
うまいが1段階。うままいが2段階。
あ、2
うままいままいが最高。
3段階目。最高級。
How do you think? Are you ready to review the pancakes? Are you ready to review? Speak? Huh? They were so good. Were they really good?